Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vipul and you are watching Digital Vipul. In this video we will talk about how to create a professional email ID. Okay, so I have started a series of video in which I have shown you how to create a professional website. Okay, so if you have not watched this video, I will give the link in the description. Just watch them first and come to this video. Okay, so we have created a website like digitalwebpool.com and we want to set up a professional email ID for that. So what we have to do for that, we have to go to our hostgator.in because we have buy our hosting as well as our domain name from this website, and we have to go to my accounts. Okay, if you are already logged in, you have to go to my accounts. If you are not logged in, just log in with your email ID. Okay, then we have to go to manage order, list and search orders, and click on your this hosting one link. Then you have to click over here with admin details. Okay, and then go to this cPanel. Okay, enter your password. Login. Okay, then you have to scroll down. You are seeing a lot of options. Okay, so if you buy your domain name and hosting from the hostgator.com, okay, .in, so they give you a lot of facilities over here. Like you can see a lot of options are over there. You can manage your file system. Okay, there are a lot of databases that are available, and then email accounts. Okay, so we have to go and click on email accounts. Okay, then we want to create a new one, so we will click on create, and here we will take the username as admin@digitalwebpool.com. Then you have to enter the password. And then we want to allocate unlimited space as of storage. Okay, then we have to click on create. So now our email ID has been created with admin@digitalwebpool.com. Now what we want to do, okay, if you want to check the mail, you can go to check mail. Okay, and there are multiple options available over here. You can click on any of them, like you can click on round cube. Okay, and then you can see your mails over here. So this was the first mail which we have received. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to do a redirection over here. I want whatever the mail comes to admin@digitalwebpool.com, that should go to my email ID. Okay, that is Gmail account. Okay, so what we have to do for that, I'm gonna show you now. So come back to your cPanel. Okay, then there's an option of forwarders over here. Click on that. Then what you have to do, okay, then you have to do for digitalwebpool.com, create an email account forwarder. Okay, click on add forwarder, put over the admin and @digitalwebpool.com. Okay, this is your email ID and you want to forward. The destination would be digitalwebpool1512@gmail.com, and then click on add forwarder. Okay, so all emails sent to admin@digitalwebpool.com will now be copied to digitalwebpool1512@gmail.com. Okay, so now you have set a forwarder. Whatever the mail comes to admin@digitalwebpool.com, that will be available to digitalwebpool1512@gmail.com. So it's a very useful technique by which you can set the forwarders, and then you can easily check all the mails that are coming to your website for any kind of inquiry to your Gmail account. Okay, so I have shown you how you can do that. So now let's go to our email ID and check whether this forwarder is working or not. So we will go to that email ID. Okay, so this is the same email ID which I have sent as a which I have set as a forwarder. Okay, so I will log in from another account and send a mail to admin@digitalwebpool.com, because if I try to send the mail from the same account which I have sent as a forwarder, it is not gonna work. That I have tested. Okay, so I will log in from this email account. Okay, so I have logged in from another Gmail account and I will send a mail. Now let's see our forwarder is working or not. So we have logged in and we will go on compose. Click on compose. Okay, then we will send the mail to admin@digitalwebpool.com. Subject will be test mail. Okay, and we are hitting the send button. Okay, so now the message has been sent. Now let's check this, refresh it. Okay, so till now we have not received any email. Let's check at our website over there. But till now this email ID has not received that email. Yeah, so the email ID, you can see the email has come to this email ID. Now let's check our forwarder email ID now. That was happened over there. So we will go to our Gmail account over there. Let me check. Yeah, here we go. So you have received the same email which I sent to admin@digitalwebpool.com to our email account, that is digitalwebpool1512@gmail.com. So in this way this forwarder works. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to set this forwarder, you can set it now. Okay, but if you face any kind of issue, just let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to help you. And if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the next videos, and share it with maximum amount of people. And thank you so much. Bye bye.